It's the Vegas Voice. Scams, schemes, and senior safety. Everything you need to know to avoid becoming a target of elder scams. Now, here's your host, the publisher of the Vegas Voice, Dan Roberts.
Hello again, everybody. I'm Dan Roberts, publisher of the Vegas Voice, and welcome to another segment of Scams, Schemes, and Senior Safety. Today, we're going to be talking about a scam that's as old as duct tape, home repair scams, or as I like to call it, the fix-it man fiasco. It usually starts with a knock at the door. A man says he's working on your neighbor's roof and noticed your shingles look loose. Or maybe he spotted a crack in your driveway. Sounds helpful, right? But here's the problem. Many of these so-called contractors are scammers. They'll ask for cash up front, maybe do a little banging around, and then, poof, they're gone. Here's how to stay safe. Don't hire anyone who just shows up at your door. Always, always, always ask for a written estimate and never, never, never pay the full amount before the job starts. Look up reviews, ask for references, and check if they're licensed. You worked hard for that nest egg. Don't hand it to a guy with a clipboard and a pickup truck. Stay sharp, stay safe, and remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. We'll have more scams in future broadcasts. Until then, this is Dan Roberts thanking you for your support of our Vegas Voice magazine, podcast, and videos. As always, we hope that everyone stays safe, be smart, and to always slam those scams.